was. I don't know where they met or how. There she stood, on stage for all to see, showing off like the greedy songbird she was. 10 minutes of ghastly scales, arpeggios, whizzing up and down like fireworks at a fairground. You understand, I was in love with the girl. Or at least in lust. But I swear to you, I never laid a finger on her. All the same, I couldn't bear to think of anyone else touching her. Least of all, the creature.
You are an ornament to our stage.
Your Majesty.
Well, Herr Mozart, a good effort. Oh, well, decidedly that. An excellent effort. You have shown us something quite new tonight.
It is new. It is, isn't it, sire?
Yes, indeed.
So, then you liked it. You really liked it, sire.
Well, of course I did. It's very good. Of course, now and then, just now and then, it seemed a touch,
What do you mean, sire?
well, I mean, occasionally it seems to have, oh, how shall one say? How shall one say, Director?
Too many notes, Your Majesty.
Exactly. Very well put. Too many notes.
I don't understand. There are just as many notes, Majesty, as are required, neither more nor less.
Well, my dear fellow, there are, in fact, only so many notes the ear can hear in the course of an evening. I think I'm right in saying that, aren't I, court composer?
Yes. Yes. On the whole, yes, Majesty.
This is absurd.
My dear young man, don't take it too hard. Your work is ingenious. It's quality work. And there are simply too many notes. That's all. Just cut a few and it'll be perfect.
Which few did you have in mind, Majesty?